Hey everyone, so I thought I would just do kind of a quick run through of this setup. So every photographer has to shoot a watch at some point in their life. So here's my watch. It's a little bit dirty, so I had to do a lot of cleanup on the face. But around it I have some silver cards, just to kind of add some style. This is about what the camera angle is. And then on top of that I have it sitting all on a V-flat that I made, and I'll put a link in the description for that video. And then above that I have just a diffuser, one of those 5-in-1 foldable thingies, and then that's got a 200 Pro lighting that, and that's just kind of giving overall light just on the top here, lighting up the face. That's kind of the main light. And then off to camera left, I have this ripstop fabric that I bought. Just folded it over so it's kind of a double diffuse type situation. And then this light here, the 400 Pro, has a 20-degree grid on it, just really small. And the light is actually pointed pretty high, but it's feathered down onto the Breitling icon. I don't even know what to call that, just kind of a little swoopy thing right above the Breitling text. It's just kind of lighting that up. And then below that I have a V860 version 2 that's coming through, just kind of lighting up the bottom area right here, this little metal mount, and then the lower area. And then on the other side I have this 400 Pro as well, just got its standard reflector on it, and that's shining through, just kind of diffusing across the fabric and just lighting up just this left side here, just kind of giving some highlights down there. And so that is the lighting setup for this. Oh, and then the camera is a Canon 5D Mark III, and it has a 100mm macro lens on it. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments field. I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks everyone for watching.